Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Yarn on Linux Mint 20.2. Yarn is a package manager for code that allows developers to share and use code with other developers across the world, as well as use other developers' solutions to different problems. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to install Yarn. Before installing the Yarn, now I'm going to enable the yarn repository by using the curl command. After enabling the yarn repository, now I'm going to add the yarn repository to system repository by using the echo command. Successfully added. After that, I'm going to update and install the yarn by using the following command. After installing the yarn, next I'm going to install the yarn packages by using the curl command. After the package installation completed, now I'm going to check the yarn version by using the following command. This is the version of yarn. With this, the process of installing Yarn on Linux Mint 20.2 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.